Hello guys and welcome to day 2 of my Philippine travel. Nagsimula ang aking araw greeting my dog na hindi ako nakita yesterday and tuwan-tuwa naman siya dahil it's been 6 years since makita niya ako. Hindi mo ma-explain yung tuwa sa, wait, bakit mayroong ganyan? Ano ginagawa yung video na yun? And dahil kahit ulan sa labas, minit ko yung aking kababata na ang pangalan ay Judith. And sinamahan niya ako magpapalit ng pera sa may Manila. And it's been a while since nakita ko rin siya. And this was our picture when we were young and mukha pa kaming dugyot dyan. Anyway, binagtas namin yung Manila, and though it was raining, we're still thankful to God kasi hindi pa talaga nagbabaha, and so we were able to exchange the money that I have. Pagkatapos we went to SM and it was so nostalgic to smell yung amoy ng department store sa Philippines, and it really felt like I'm really home. And napakasarap mong ikot-ikot and tumingin-tingin doon sa mga places dito sa may SM. Pagkatapos noon, dahil nga sinamahan ako ng best friend, it's time to treat her sa lunch, and kumain kami ng samyup, which is here sa SM. And ito ay jeans sa Galbi. So all in all, okay naman siya. It's a little bit pricey pero okay naman din. Although I felt na sana mas marami pa yung menu nila para mas ma-enjoy pa ng mga tao yung different types of meat dito sa samyup na ito. So if you guys wanna try it, nandiyan lang siya sa may SM, and they have a variety of food as well. So back to the story, in-enjoy lang namin yung food and lunch together, and we were just eating and having fun and having those nostalgic talk about how we grew up. And then yun, very blessed kasi meron akong friend na up to now meron pa rin akong contact with, and she is also happy with her family, and I'm so proud of her, and masaya kami. Although takot ako uminom ng water dun sa restaurant, so I decided to buy a juice. Pagkatapos, mabilis ko siyang inom and naubos na rin halos. And then after that, we went to the supermarket, sa grocery, and I was amazed. Sobrang dami ng fruits nila lined up there. I was wondering, paano kaya yun pag nasira? Of course, meron yung proper shell life and everything, but I was so amazed at how beautiful ang daming fruits sa SM. At syempre, impressive din mga stalls natin sa Philippines, iba't ibang variation and everything, and hindi ko naman kayang kainin lahat ng mga foods nila dyan, but I was just amazed and looked at everything. One more thing na napansin ko was there was a cashier na siya na lang mag-isa who was doing the cashier work, and she was also bagging the items. Sana nananawagan ako sa SM na marami pa silang mga workers, and wag muna silang umalis. And bago sila umalis, sana antayin mo nila yung kapalit nila bago sila umalis kasi kawawa talaga si ate. At I salute you, ate, for doing a very hard work like that. And also, nag-isip ako na bilahan ng donuts yung aking anak and ang aking pamangkin as a surprise and present. So, bumili ako ng munchkins, and also bumili ako ng set of donuts for them. And sinurprise ko sila, pag uwi ko, bigyan ko sila ng donut. Always been a favorite ko kasi yung donuts when I was small, and one time I also asked my mom na bilhan ako nun, and I was so happy to have donuts. So I also just wanted to do the same para sa anak ko and sa aking pamangkin. I was impressed to see there's a lot of variations they have in there, and very colorful ones na ma-enjoy mo talaga for your appetite. So after that, we head home, and nakita namin na bahang-baha na talaga, and like this in the video, makita nyo ang taas na ng tubig. Sinara ko nga ulit yung window kasi baka mamaya enchanted river ako dito, patalsikan ako. But anyway, talagang paparating na yung bagyo that time, so nagmamadali talaga kami. Still, we were able to make it home, and pag uwi ko ng bahay, tuwan-tuwa yung pamangkin ko, yung anak ko, kasi meron silang surprise donuts. Yay! So na-surprise siya talaga doon. So that's it, guys. That's my day 2 here in the Philippines, and enjoy ako, and sana nag-enjoy din kayo sa panonood ng video vlog ko. Once again, thank you, and please follow for more videos. Bye!